This is our project Build-A-Bot. My name is Kush.
I'm Sanjita.
And I'm Harsh.
So this is Build-A-Bot, a no-code chatbot tool that helps student organizations, academic teams, and faculties quickly turn their existing docs into smart, searchable assistants. We built this because college clubs and classrooms often get bombarded with the same questions. How do I join? Where's the syllabus? What's the deadline? But most of these groups don't have the time or technical skills to build their own AI tool. Build-A-Bot solves that. Just upload a .txt file and you get a chatbot that answers questions in a natural language based on your own context. The app has a simple one-page layout. File upload on one side, chatbot on the other. It's designed for non-technical users with no setup required.
So to start off with demoing this, we thought why not start with Who Hacks FAQs. So I'm going to go ahead and upload common FAQs based off of the resource packet that was provided. And now we can see we can immediately ask our bot any Who Hacks related question. So the first one I ask is, where is the help desk? You can see it provides a context-aware response mentioning Olson Hall, the specific hours, and where to get additional questions answered. The second question we want to ask is, how do I redeem free Perplexity Pro? To try to ask something a little bit more niche. And you can see I didn't have to re-upload any file just based off of the one that's currently in there. Once again, you get detailed step-by-step instructions with the specific Who Hacks code also mentioned. The last Who Hacks related question we're going to ask is, how do I collect my travel reimbursement? Once again, you see specific instructions mentioning all of the information that candidates should bring prior to trying to collect the reimbursement, as well as any additional information they might need. Now, to show that we tested this with a variety of different file uploads, we partnered with Business and AI Institute, which is a UVA CIO, which is a student-run Gen AI consulting club. Their executive team uploaded their project management handbook, which reduces repetitive questions from their leads. So I'm going to, once again, choose a different .txt file, this time with Business and AI Institute specific related content, upload it. And the first BAI related question I'm going to ask is, what does a project lead for BAI do? All right, and you can see there's a full description of what a project lead does, what their responsibilities are, as well as what an actual BAI project for a semester looks like. The next question we're going to ask is, 1 week before symposium, which is when teams present their work to the UVA community, how should teams prepare? Once again, we get step-by-step, very detailed instructions. It's a very comprehensive handbook, and you can see all of the different things that a team would have to go through. And so this is the type of question that a project lead would ask an exec member, even though all of this is already documented in the handbook, and this saves everybody in the club a lot of time. The last question we're going to ask is something maybe a little bit more simple and concise. What's the dress code for spring symposium? Also playing around with the actual format of the question. And this time we receive a more concise answer that is very clear, that it's business attire, what the expected audience for the event is, and what to expect during the event, which is why they're given some extra guidelines for that business attire. So this bot handles all these questions with ease, helping project leads stay aligned and freeing up time for exec members. And this model can apply to any club, any committee, or any academic team, whether it's faculty and professors, anybody on grounds who's managing a lot of different information.
Build-A-Bot runs a full AI pipeline behind the scenes: React front-end, Flask back-end, Hugging Face embeddings, FAISS for retrieval, and Mistral via Together.ai for LLM responses, all locally with no database setup required. From a single .txt file, you get a fully functional chatbot tailored to your org or course. Whether you're running a hackathon, leading a student org, or teaching a large class, Build-A-Bot helps offload questions, streamline onboarding, and empower users to find what they need instantly. With Build-A-Bot, anyone can harness the power of AI to make their organization run smoother, no coding required, just better answers for everyone.